You know, we had to come out here and put these out here. So another lady, Johnny's wife, ended up wanting one, so we're gonna get her a sweater over there. So yeah, let me know, you guys. I can always get more of them. All right, guys. So another run. Same car, EG hatch over there, the green one. Supercharged K series, nitrous, boosted B series. Last driver was the homie B, running on it and trying to see what it can do. First time for this guy on slicks. We're on full slicks now, so we're gonna see what it can do. So hopefully we can get this W. Oh no, what do you think got it?
They're gonna run it back?
Yeah.
Oh, supercharged, bro. I love this bike hatch. Oh, the homeboy's driving now.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, he wants to drive. He wants to see what it's like on slicks.
He gave him a fun run or
The first one?
no, this is a fun run or Hey, that fool looks like Tommy, dog, the singer and shit.
Hey, you know what? I'm rooting for the kid, dog. Alright guys, hopefully we can get this W, man. We need our money back. Just running for 2 bills on this run. Again guys, please like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the videos if you guys want to see more of this. I promise you guys, let me know and we'll get more of this if you guys want it. We got that, baby! We got it, baby! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, this might be fucking bald his head, dude.
Hey, I forgot the W, dog.
Wait, where's Johnny? Where's Johnny at? I'm about to tell him right now. That's why you drive your shit. Don't let nobody else drive it. Don't let nobody tell you how to drive your shit.
Especially that short person, bro.
She's crashing my shit, dog.
Fucking hairy.
That's crazy.
Fucks him up. This fool just gonna air. Yeah, you just gotta listen to yourself, dog.
Rudy, money.
Hey, supercharged nitrous. Supercharged nitrous versus a turbo car. So when people say it's a stock motor, don't go off of that. It's a supercharged fucking nitrous car.
Hey, I'm down.
That thing is making like 700 horsepower.
How much money you want to put on that? Hey, huh? You can probably make like 600-700 on the stock car.
Oh, yeah, no doubt. I'm not going to
Still a supercharged
on nitrous. But they only make 450? Come on.
That's his car, so he knows exactly what it's making.
I
don't even want to try it. How much money is it? Hey, wait, hold on. Wait. Jazzy, where you at? Jazzy, what? Hey, we'll do it again for the same time.
We got it, baby! We got it! We got it, baby! We took the dub! Trailer. You erase it? No, it's good.
Yeah, no doubt. Just to see you guys too.
You gonna come back for juniors?
4, 6, 8, 10, 4, 6, 8, 8, 200.
Thank you, sir. Good shit.
Good run, my guys.
Good shit, fool. Good shit.
Yeah.
You always come out and kill me.
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt.
I respect you guys, dog.
Yeah.
Yes, Saben.
Let me know when you're done. Hey, cheat.
Hey, I got you, dog. All right, guys. We took the W on that one. A couple of bucks that we won on it. You know, we made our money back on it. And, yeah, dope shootout, man. Dope Mexico run. Dope run with all these dudes, man. Again, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys want more of these videos, man. We'll come back out to Mexico and we'll do this shit all over again. So let me know, guys, if you guys are down for this. And meanwhile, we get the all-wheel drive UK fully on the dyno and get it running, guys. So pretty much, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. End of the shootout. We're heading back to Cali now from Mexico, and trying to just enjoy the night and go back to my wife. You get what I'm saying, my kids. But yeah, guys, pretty much. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Until next time.